FLOKI Inu did a 50% drop, exactly as we was expecting in the last update. I'm not even joking, this is what we have planned in the last update. We was looking for retracement, we of course planned in case we have to push higher, but we was looking here for a possible reversal. We did got this pullback here, and we did planned this very nice long trade. So as always, if you enjoy the content here, don't forget to smash a like, to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, and really, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications. I'm saying this for you so you can stay updated. And if you want, by the way, to stay updated even more, feel free to join the Discord server or simply to join me every single day on the YouTube channel. I'm live to update Bitcoin and the alt, so you know exactly what we can look for next on a daily basis on everything really. But anyways, on this being said, so now I'm going to show you everything. This is what we've planned in the last update. As you can see right here, I repeat myself, but just want to show you again this to show you just how crazy this is. $30.17, and well, here we go, $30.17. We've got the move down into our target, and for the moment we are bouncing. So the thing is here, was looking, you know, for this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for a wave 5 for an increase in price. The reason why of taking this long trade really. So we was looking here for this wave 4, the white wave 4, before to look for another increase in price for the white wave 5. Okay, so now the thing is, we're simply going to plan and see how we can do this wave 5, and well, what we need really to do this wave 5, and what can be the targets of this wave 5 if we have to rise from here. Well, I'm just gonna go on the lot scale really quick, okay, to show you here. So into a wave 1, so let's take the green waves. Okay, so into the wave 1 here, you're going to get 5 waves. Into the wave 3, you have the 5 waves, the pink wave you can see here. And into the wave 5, if you remember good here, we have been able to plan every single, to buy every single drop here, to plan every single retracement. You can see here all the green squares are some wave 4 retracement or wave 2 retracement, for example, on the low, no, that's a wave 4 by the way. All these green boxes are simply some targets we have been able to plan before we even drop, and to buy before to look for another increase in price again. So into the wave 3 and 5, you have 5 waves. The thing is now, if you pull the extension tool for the wave 5, well, we are in an extension. If you pull the extension tool, so from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom, for example, to find the wave 3 targets, you can see that we went way above the max wave 3 target. The maximum wave 3 target is simply normally this 423.6. Well, we went a lot higher than this. Okay, so if you want to find out the wave 5 targets, you're simply going to take this third click and then place it on the wave 4 bottom, and from here you're going to add the wave 5 targets. Again, that brings us with something that just doesn't make sense. So how can we find the wave 5 targets? Well, the only way to do this is to count and to find the smaller wave of this. So by doing the smaller wave, we're going to be able to recognize where this price is going to stop at some point. It's exactly the same than if you was here before. You know, we have been able to plan this drop, to buy this drop, and to look for another increase in price. To add the green wave 5 targets, it was not possible, simply because we was already in an extension. So to find the targets of this, and that's why we was looking for a retracement in the last update, you simply have to count the smaller 5 waves. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we simply have to do the same. We can remove this for the moment, and we can simply count the 5 waves in there. So if we really have to start this wave 5, we can count the first rise we have done at the moment as 5 waves. So to speak here, we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll have more likely here a triangle by the way, and then we'll have a last increase in price for a wave 5. It will be simply the smaller wave of this first push to the upside we have here. Okay, the blue wave you can see here, the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be simply the smaller wave into this pink wave 1. That's from this pink wave 1. Once we have done this, we can look for a pullback, that will be the wave 2. So we can look here for a pullback, that will be the wave 2. And then we can look for a wave 3, 4, 5. Again, I just want you to be aware of some things, that these 5 waves we'll have to the upside are really weird, so I'm a bit careful with these 5 waves. It's not as good as there was before here. Okay, so just be a bit careful with these 5 waves, but these are valid ones. So if we have to get 5 waves first of all, we can look simply for another bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have to look for a long into this wave to retracement, well, normally you already bought before, because this is what we have planned really. Okay, But if you missed out, well, if you want to buy here, you can simply, again, there are no any financial advice, you have to make your own trading decisions, you do absolutely whatever you want, but you can simply look for the following targets. You have the 38.2, you have then the 56.18, 66%, or you have 73% chance to bounce from normally, and then we have the 7xx. These are the three main targets to buy a wave 2. Now, if you want to add some more confidence, you can load, for example, MOONCHARTS. I sadly cannot do this on my side because my power supply is not strong enough, and so if I do, it's gonna just crash my computer again, so I'm not going to do it. But if you want to add some more confidence, simply go on MOONCHARTS, with a daily, weekly, monthly negative path control, all of these levels, really. Just go and check this out. You can learn this on the website. And by the way, if you want to learn to know how it is possible to make such predictions, if you really want to learn how to make this by yourself, because everyone can do this, well, it's very simple. Simply go and check the mooncharts.fr website. I have recorded a brand new course, a new Elliott Wave course, really. The 4 first lessons are already available there. So really, go and check this out. You have some golden nuggets in there. You have the basic rules, the Fibonacci tools. Then you move on the impulsive. So you have really the basics. Then you move on the impulsive. So I have to find the wave 3 targets. What are the smaller wave? All of this, what are the wave 2 targets, how to find the wave 2, how to find the wave 3 and the wave 5 targets, even the wave 4. All of this, you can learn this for absolutely free on the website. There is no trouble whatever. And in addition to this, so you start next year learning on the correction, the most basic correction wave. And now that the 4 first lessons are out, well, in 5 days, you will be able to play a contest for absolutely free where you can win $300 worth in Bitcoin. The first one, that will be a contest. So the first one in the ranking will win $150, the second one $100, and the third one $50. Following this, you will get 2 more contests, but these 2 more contests will be for the 6 more Elliott Wave courses. These are the first 4 Elliott Wave lessons, really. You have 6 more to come next, but if you want to continue, you can go and check out, for example, here into your account page. You just have to sign up as apprentice. If you don't want to continue, you have to do nothing as you join for absolutely free. If you want to continue, you will have to sign up as apprentice. So to pay a subscription, otherwise you have to do absolutely nothing. And if you want to join and continue with me your learning, simply join as apprentice and you will be able to play 2 more contests with, of course, bigger prize pool, 500 for the second one and 1,000 for the first one, and the first place here can win $500. Anyway, more details will be shared later, but yeah, if you want to get a chance to win, so $150, $100 or $50, simply go and sign up on the website and make sure to learn good these 4 courses there. It's very important because this will be a quiz on these 4 first courses. Anyways, so now if we have to win this wave 5, well, we can, as always, so simply look for a bigger impulsive. We need to start this wave 5, some 5 waves like this. For now we have this. Well, it is possible to make something bigger and to make something longer. Yes, absolutely. For example, we can make here a 5 waves, correction 5 waves, and this is simply an ABC zigzag, and this ABC zigzag can simply bring us with a possible bigger and longer W, X, Y. So do we have any possible count that can bring us with such bigger move down? Yes, in that case we simply have to look for the green square we have planned, and so now we can add, if we have to be in such configuration, just gonna remove that for the moment, if we have to be in such longer wave 4, really, okay, with a longer and bigger correction into the wave 4, well, we can simply here add the 618, 66%. It is possible that we go that down on such asset because we have done some crazy, absolutely massive extension to the upside, so it's normal to go a bit more down, to reload the bags, to spend some more time before to get another increase in price. Okay, just something you are aware of. In that case, we can look for another move down at some point with a possible, so either a truncated Y wave, so to speak, a Y wave that's gonna stop before the previous wave bottom to keep the bullish market structure intact and to show the weakness really of going lower, and so the strength of a reversal next. Otherwise, if we have to do something a bit more normal, if you can say that, well, end up not with a truncated, with something more likely, so go past the W bottom, and from here go so just below to do a swing through pound referral auction, or go into the next fib, so 618, 66%. This in that case is going to become the buy zone next, really. Okay, so the 5618, 66%. If you want to add this, again, simply go and check out on the website. You have all the course there, so you can know exactly how to place the retracement tool. I'm just gonna stop to repeat myself because I'm doing this in every single update, so really if you want to know this, just go and check out the website. It's free, waiting there for you, so you know exactly how to pull this, and so you can follow really much better the updates. Okay, so now for the moment, this is not what it's planned, I mean what I'm looking for mainly, but this is something we have to be aware of course, such bigger and longer wave fall. Now we are ready in case we have to do this. Otherwise, until this happen, I'm simply looking for this bigger impulse even to the wave 5, as we have a possible 5-way star. Now it all depends how far, once we got the retrace and we get the bounce, how far this is going to go. If we stop before, well, we do not really manage to reach really higher prices. We can look simply for an ABC zigzag in that case, so a correction to make, you know, the bigger double the XY I was talking about. But anyway, if you want to stay updated again, make sure to subscribe to the channel to turn notifications. Saying this for you, not for me, you know, I have my account on my side, everything is planned. So yeah, if you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe to turn notifications. If you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash the like, to subscribe. And well, anyway, I'm not going to repeat myself on this, by the way. But yeah, so everything is playing absolutely perfectly at the moment. Waiting, I mean, looking forward this wave 2 retracement, possible bit of a pullback. So simply, oops, for this wave 2. Now, as always, I don't want to see the wave 2 on the RSI to break the wave 1 route, so to speak. There, for example, on the 4 hours, I don't want to see the wave 2, sorry, here to break, that is breaking the wave 1 route. I don't want to see this. If this is not happening, it's all good, and we can simply look for such configuration. Okay, and so we're going to plan a bit later the possible targets of the wave here, simply because we need this extension tool pull from the bottom to the top to the bottom we're going to do, and from here we can add the targets of the wave 3, and then again we'll need the wave 3 top to add the wave 4 target, and then again we'll need the wave 4 bottom to add the wave 5 target. So for now it's a bit early to say where it is going to go, where it is going to stop, but once we're going to get this wave 2 bottom, we're going to get an idea of what price we can reach minimum. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So anyways, hope you enjoyed. And if you want to learn any waves, don't forget mooncharts.fr website, mooncharts.fr website, by the way. And yeah, have a nice day, take care of you, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.